In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable clipboard history on your Lenovo laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what you have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings. Best result, should come back with settings here. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, you want to select where it says System. And then on the right side, you want to scroll down and select Clipboard. And then on the right side up at the top where it says Clipboard History, toggle this on or off depending on your preference, and that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process here, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.